Hi Goddess, Tula here, and as promised, here is my video about my post on what is your predominant driving force, and perhaps a great time to ponder a few questions like what is actually driving us, because it can be good in terms of following our purpose and passion and our heart, or it can be all these reasons and excuses we put up for not doing what we love to be doing or being all of who we really are. So what are some of the drivers that can drive us? And sometimes they are unconscious drivers. So basically what that means is it's a good idea to release those unconscious drivers because they do tend to run on default. Now, some of the drivers can be, for instance, ego, what's in it for me? Or it could be that your major driver is money, acquiring more and more money. It could be that your major driver is, for instance, your health. Perhaps you're in ill health, disease, pain, and that can be stopping you. And you can say, well, that is a really good reason for not doing things, but in actual fact, perhaps it's not. Another driver we have is a huge one. It's emotions. Sometimes we can really let our emotions overtake our whole life to the point where they actually stop us. So that is a really great thing to examine if that is your case. Okay. Another thing that can be driving us is grieving. Okay. Even with grieving, and we all have a right to grieve in our own ways, but even with grieving, it can take over our whole life. And again, there are ways to manage that. So it's a really great idea to take a moment to think about what your major driver is, and you'll find that by examining what it is you talk about the most or what it is that that stops you the most. Even time, okay? Time is a big one. Money is another big one. Time is actually a matter of priority. So bear that in mind. And money, again, is a matter of priority because when we really want something, we find the money for it. We become resourceful. So that is my challenge to you today. #choose to challenge. And I hope that empowers you today, Goddess. Bye.